Just wanted to make a quick video of unpacking my air airbag vest. In other words, cars have airbags for passengers and drivers, but motorcyclists don't. Some motorcyclists do put airbags on the motorcycles, but that didn't work very well because the motorcyclists end up being thrown off the bike and hitting the pavement anyways. So somebody invented airbag vest that you can put on when you get ejected from your motorcycle. The airbags inflate and protects your neck, your torso from injury. So here it is. I got this from FR Motor Parts 2020 on eBay. Name brand airbags are about 600 and up. I got this for under $140. I have asked many questions whether I can return it if I see the material is no good or anything, if it's some cheap material, but we'll see. It came from China. Very excited. It took 3 weeks. I did not have the color that I want. I did not want the orange or the, they call it yellow, but it's the neon green. So let's see. Let me take this off. And voila. Instruction manual for the airbag vest manual, main parts and names. There you go. What it does, where it is. How to load it. And as far as I can read, the English is fairly good English. Sometimes you get some stuff that hard to understand. So here it is. Pictures too. Excellent. This is what it shows, what it looks like when it inflates. So it does protect you. That guy is a big guy actually. Or he put a small vest. Anyways. So here it is. Let's pause it. And here it is, out of the bag. Fold it. Really nice looking bag. From what I can tell, the material is excellent. There was questions about whether the material was going to be strong enough, durable, and it is. From what I can see, this is where you put the CO2 cartridge. Everything looks good there. Comes with a lot of tags. Let's see, let me read that Chinese. Not gonna read Chinese. Ooh, I like the stamp. Not gonna read Chinese. More Chinese. CPAC, Communist, Publics. I don't know. Anyway. Diagram, pictures. Pro Air System. More Chinese. More Chinese. And is a fungus, or is it a funkies, or is it a fungi? You know what? I'll call it a fungi. Fungi brand. None of that at $600 plus. Expensive airbags. The bright neon greens, they call them yellow. This is the back of it. Pretty solid build. This jacket will go over your jacket, your riding jacket. This is just the vest. Let me show you briefly. So anyway, here it is. It's similar to the Turtle something airbag that sell for $600. Of course, they're gonna claim that it's not similar. There's different material. There's less quality. But the weight of it, I can feel the heaviness of it. So it's not some flimsy vest or material. So this inflates back here, so it keeps my helmet from making my neck go back, but that sounded really good, or forward, because it will inflate here. This is the part that pulls the pin right here and it inflates everything. Now I gotta get the CO2 was not included. This part attached to your bike, so every time you get on your bike, you lock it in place. And if you forget to take it out and you get off your bike, it's not gonna go off. It takes about 60 pounds of pressure. That means your whole body has to be almost flying out of the bike in order to set it off. I love it. I like it. I like the color. That's why I had to wait 3 weeks for it to come from China. Anyway, thanks a lot. FR Motorsports 2020 for getting this color. They did not have any in stock in the United States, so they went above and beyond and got it from China straight to my house at an awesome price of 140 bucks. There you go. Bye bye.